Hey, yo, it's Crusoe. I'm now pulling this mud back. There where I've got two pieces of tile, they are, that's the waste, and that's the waste hole for the bath. So when I go over them, I'll just dig them out, dig out a square. My labourer, which is me, has just mixed up. He's a good bloke, that labourer. He's never around though when I want him. Sorry about my sense of humour, people. Another bucket. Let's mix her up. Water, always water first. That's about, oh, I don't know, 60 or 70 mil of water in there. Bit over half a bag of mud. I always go a little bit softer when I'm dragging back, when my pads and that are done. There we have it. Whooshka. I've put glue down back to here, so if I go any further back, I'll put a bit more glue down. Pull it back. Just like that, folks. Just like that. Clean out for the toilet. Bit of mud there. See, I've got protection in there as well. Just pull it back. Right, some more mud. Wash my hands. The labourers never around when I want them, so I'll just have to do it myself. See you soon.